have 5 rules now. We have 5 rules now. Before now, we tend to have just 4 rules that guides our entry point and our trades. But right now, we're going to be having 5 rules. We added 1 more rule to it. So I'll post that on the chat now, the updated rule. Post it on the chat now, and I want everybody to go through it as well. Please go through it as well. Go through it as well. So the first one says, trades are 3 to 5 minutes fixed time off. The second one says, use good risk management, 3 to 5% of your equity, not more than 5%. Then the next one says, do not take more than 2 entries per trade. That is the new rule we've added. So when I'm chatting now, I'll be calling out 2 zones, first entry and second entry. 2 entries I'll be calling. For every of my trade right now, it's going to be 2 entries, first entry and second entry. So I'll call those zones. Now, if you take a 3rd entry, that will be on you. It might profit you, it might not profit you, but officially, I would call 2 entry points. Now, the 4th one says rollover a maximum of 2 times. I believe everyone have experienced the rollover and why it is necessary to use the brokers that have rollover options, because it helps you more with more time. Then it says stop trading if you take 3 lessons at a roll, leave the market. If you take 3 lessons at a roll, leave the market. Then also, just to let us know, it is better you withdraw when you have, for instance, on these brokers, IQ grace option. If you have $1,000 in your broker, it is better you withdraw maybe $100 or $200 or $300 before. I mean, this is the thing. What they do now is when you are withdrawing above $400, if you are withdrawing $410, it takes time to settle. So your withdrawal process might take up to 3, 4, 5 days. Sometimes it might take 1 week, 1 complete week. So it is advisable, like what I do, I withdraw 100 or 200 today. It can drop in tomorrow, today or tomorrow. That's fast. The process withdraw fast when it's low. When you withdraw a a little amount. When you withdraw a amount from 410, it will take a long time for it to drop. So for me, I like to do 100, 150, 200, 100, 150, 200. Yeah, I'm withdrawing into a particular BTC wallet, so it keeps saving there. So if I want to accumulate my $2,000, I accumulate it there, not just withdraw $2,000 at once. When you do that, you might even lose it eventually, because when you withdraw a particular amount of money and it will take some days and you still want to trade. Now, if you go below your amount, if you go below the amount that you have, it would cancel the withdrawal. So it's just something I've realized from the withdrawal process. When you are withdrawing, withdraw not more than $400 at once. So you can be withdrawing every day. If you withdraw $200 today, it can drop today, maximum tomorrow. But when you withdraw $400 and above, it would take as much as 3 to 4, 5 days. And you might want to trade, because it happened to me. So I have a withdrawal pending. I have a withdrawal that is pending. But then I forgot that I have withdrawal pending. I started trading. So I ate into the withdrawal amount, so it was canceled. So please, let's note that. If you get what I just said, what I just explained, please put 777 in the chat box. If you get what I just explained, put 777 in the chat box about withdrawal. If you get that, do not withdraw more than 300 or 400, max 400. All right, so let's look at the market. So the first thing we do is check the news, like we all know. Check the news. And you do that with Forex Factory. Forex Factory shows us if there is any news that would impact the currency, either positively or negatively. Right. Now, the next one we do look at is the currency strength. Currency strength. If you were in the morning session, or if you were trading before now, you see that Euro was the strongest, AUD was weak, Now euro is 3 bar, AUD is 4 bar. So there's discrepancy in the market. So we have to be very careful. We're not losing any trade today. We're not losing any trade. So we're going to be very careful, and very patient with the market. Now, we see euro is 3 bar, GBP is 5. GBP has been strong since morning, but I'm staying away from GBP, except I see a very good setup like GBP USD, and it is all aligned. That's when I will take GBP, but I'm staying away from GBP. CAD is weak. CAD has been weak since morning. USD has been weak since morning. So if we're going to take a pair to trade, I can look at USD JPY. That's my most favorite pair, my first pair, USD JPY. I can look at USD JPY. I can look at AED USD. I can look at GBP USD if it's well aligned. But let's quickly look at USD JPY. Now we validate the currency strength with FinViz. AUD is still strong here. Euro, let me see where euro is here. Euro has gone low. Okay, I'll check that. Euro is still good. So can you see the strength? 0.90 and USD is 0. So I can even trade NZD USD. This is a good market, looking at it. So, but we're not going to base only on fundamental alone, right? So let me look at, okay, yeah, I did some check with this. I did some analysis with this. That was what Bayo shared yesterday, and it made sense. I mean, I did some analysis. I checked it out. So what it does for us is it helps us see what the price is doing in 1 hour. The last 1 hour, was it an uptrend? The last 2 hours, was it a downtrend? Now see euro. Can you see euro became a downtrend from, this is current hour, previous hour. So euro was up in the morning, euro started coming down. So euro started reducing. So it just to help us, give us some notes. Now CHF is reducing, USD is improving. The last 2 hours, USD was improving. JPY is pushing up. The last hour.
You know, that's 5 minutes. That's 5 minutes chart.
No, this is 1 hour. Oh, sorry. Let me see. This is 1 hour. Let me just
that 5 in front of all those currency pair, it is 5.
Okay, let me quickly change to 1 hour. Sorry. Exactly. Now this is it now. So I just saved. So exactly, this is the hourly. This is the hourly. Thank you for noting that.
All right.
So now, if we're looking at Euro USD, Euro is coming down in the last 1 hour. USD is trying to push up. This current 1 hour, Euro is coming down. USD is trying to push up. So let me leave Euro USD first. Let me see what will properly align, strong and weak. So let me look at a currency that is pushing up in this current hour. Now, AUD is pushing up. It pushed up last hour. 2 hours ago, pushed up. Current hour is pushing up. So I can trade AUD versus, let me see what I can trade against AUD. CHF is pushing down last hour, pushing down previous hour, pushing down 3 hours ago. So AUD CHF, I can look at AUD CHF. Okay, let me send the name of the site. I will send it on the chat now. So this is just like a double confirmation, just to give me some, what's it called? So I can look at AUD CHF. Now, if I'm looking at livechart.co.uk, CHF is weak, AUD is strong. So I can trade AUD CHF. AUD CHF, 9.94 and 0.40. That's a good margin. Oh, see my EUI set alarm. Oh, it got there. It's okay. AUD CHF. So I'm charting AUD CHF. You know, it's an upward trend. It's clearly an upward trend. Okay. So I've gotten zones for AUD CHF. So we're going to wait for it to drop back. Okay, this is another zone. So like I said, I'm calling 2 entries. AUD-CHF, calling AUD-CHF, it's an upward trend. Come on, load. All right. Sorry, let me put this here. Okay. So on AUD-CHF, we're waiting for market to drop. So we have possible 3 to 5 minutes bullish reaction on AUD-CHF at the 0.85 to two zones, 0.85 to 0.47. So anything within this area, we can go in for a buy. Market will come down, trust me. So let's watch that. That's our first entry. Now let's look at something else. Now I want to look at AU. What did we just check now? AUD-CHF. Now let's look at UJ. Let me see what UJ is doing the last one now. UJ is pushing up. J is pushing up. UJ. Let me see what the difference is. UJ. So UJ is a sell. UJ is a sell. Okay. That's my favorite pair. USDJPY. Let's check USDJPY. USDJPY is a sell. It's for a sell. That's bearish. USDJPY is bearish. It's pushing up. Good. We have a good zone. Very good resistance point. Very good resistance. Now, just to reiterate our chart. Guys, can you see exactly the point? So go back to the 5 minutes. Okay, let me check the 15 minutes. It's exactly the point. Exactly. So USDJPY for a bearish momentum. Market is pushing up to our zone. Please keep your eyes on AUD-CHF. So possible 3 to 5 minutes bearish reaction on USD-JPY at the 647 to 707 areas. So that's 2 zones, 2 entries, not more than 2 entries. It's pushing up. Let's check AC. Let's check AC. I will chart AJ as well, but let's check AC. AC is coming. Okay, let me quickly log into my broker. Okay, wait for it. It's got to come. It's got to come. So let me check AJ. J is pushing up. Where is AUD? AUD is pushing down now. AUD is pushing down now. So this is what 698. 698. So AUD is not yet good as such. 698. AUD is not yet good as such. So we're gonna wait for leave AJ for now. It's not setting up. Can you see the trend? The trend is consolidating. You don't trade a straight line. It's consolidating. You don't trade a straight line. The movement of AUD started within this hour. So it's not yet an uptrend. So leave AJ. All right. Now let's check EU. Okay, so that's good. Okay, guys, let's look at EU. Let's look at EU. Let me validate again. EU is struggling, really struggling. EU is really struggling. This guy adds one more bar. You can look at it, but I'll give you a very good zone. EU. Come on. EU is not ready. Don't worry. It's not ready. It's still far away. Can you just see the way currency just moving from one level to another? Just up and down, down and up. Can you see that EG now? E and G are now the same strength. AC, AED, CHF, is it coming? So much. Can you guys see the way market is moving? So one has to be very careful. AC, AU. Let me see AED card. Card is pushing up. Current 1 hour. AUD. It's coming down. Can you see EG? Consolidation. We cannot take that. AU. AU is an uptrend. AU needs to come down. It needs to come down before we go in. There is no rushing. We're going to milk the market, but we'll wait for it at the good zone. AJ. Let me see AJ. Can you see AJ is on a downtrend and AJ is stronger? Yes, JPY is weaker. So please just leave that market alone. Leave it alone. Leave AJ alone. Because looking at the strength says AUD is the strongest. But in the last 1 hour, AUD is coming down. Where is it? So this is like a good thing for us. If AUD gets its green back, then we can look at AJ again. But for now, it's on the downtrend. Can you see the market? And AUD is supposed to be on an uptrend because AUD is stronger, but on the downtrend. So that's that. UJ. Okay, let me go and see UJ. Someone said UJ is coming. UJ is coming, guys. UJ is coming. Remember, 3 to 5% of your equity, not more than 5. Not more than 5. UJ. Okay. UJ is good. UJ is good. Let's push it up. This guy is coming down. He needs to get there, please. Let it get to the zone before you go in. UJ. Let me check AC. AC was the first pair I saw, which was good. AC, calm down and pick us, please. AC, calm down. AC is still struggling to calm down. Guys, he came down. This is okay. This is 1 hour. Sorry, guys. Sorry. He didn't. It's still coming down. It's still coming down. It's still coming. It's coming. AC is coming as well. Let AC come. Let it come. Let it come. Remember 2 zones. This zone 1. This zone 2nd. AC. Let me see. Card. Let's take one bonus trade, guys. AUD card, enter now. 656 for a call. AUD card is a bonus trade. AUD card 656 for a call. 5 minutes, please. I remember you can take 2 rolls. Go now before you react. Go now. You react in 2 minutes. It's just a bonus trade. Did you guys get that? AUD card. AUD card, 3 to 5 minutes. Bullish. AUD card. Where it is right now is good. Where it is right now is good. Hope we have entered. Hope we have entered. My broker is just loading right now. AUD card. Come on. Don't leave me. Oh. You don't leave me. My broker is just loading. Oh. Sheesh. Guys, who entered? If you entered, let me know. And funny how me, I didn't take it. Man, it has gone so far. I will take it. I'll take it. Don't trade like me. I'm a technical guy and I know how I get my stuff. I'm taking it. Who entered? Who entered? Let me know your entry point. Guys, who is bullish? Sheesh. Bonus trade. No analysis. I just saw it. Bonus trade. Who is bullish? If it comes back to that zone, I'm going in again. You know, I didn't enter with you guys. I didn't enter with you guys. Bonus. That's bonus. Bonus trade. I just saw it. See where it got to. This was where I said you should enter 654. And me, I entered at 671. Higher than any other person.
Hello,
657.
Yes. I think we will have caught that AUD chef at an entry that is a little higher than what you caught. Because looking at that meta, what the index is doing is that it came to retest the last 30 minutes candle and then it was shooting up.
Exactly. Exactly. You get it. I mean, I'm glad that we are learning. I'm glad that we are learning. I'm glad that we are learning. That's it. That's it. That's it. Let's check something else. Let's check something else. That one is a walk away trade. Don't worry. It's a walk away. It can't come back to that zone. Even if it comes back, you can take one rule. But trust me, it can't come back there.
5 minutes seems longer.
You said 5 minutes seems longer.
Yeah,
please stay with 5 minutes. It's safer. It's safer. That's it. Let's see our other entry. Let me see EU. Let me see what EU has for us. Let's see what EU has for us. EU is still coming. EU is still coming. So we're waiting on EU. Waiting on EU. Cleared. That's 1-0. EU. Let me confirm the trends for EU right now. So guys, let's get ready for EU. Let me chat EU. Let me see that. Guys, that's officially 1-0. That's officially 1-0. Officially 1-0. Guys, EU is for a call at 762. I'm giving us 2 zones. Like I said, 2 zones. 762. This is another zone. The second zone. The second zone is 7. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Second zone is 773. 773 or below. EU. 773 or below. EU. 773 or below.
Right.
Yeah, for a call. 773 or below for a call. Guys, that's 1-0. If you've cleared, let me know if you've cleared. Let me go back to my lovely UJ. UJ is my favorite. UJ is my favorite. PJ is not ready for us. He needs to come. Guys, watch EU. If he comes there, if you've cleared, let me see your clears. If you've cleared, let me see your clears.
Coach, see what EU is doing.
He's still pushing. You said what?
Check out what EU is doing.
EU. Oh, EU left us. Who entered EU? Oh, EU, why? EU, why? EU, why? It's 45 minutes. We need to take advantage of that 45 minutes timing. Anybody entered EU? Technical guys, are you here? No worry, nobody should enter. Follow the rules. 2 entries. I give you 2 entries. If you do not get it, leave it. Let it go. It's better than dashing our money to the broker. AC cleared. AC cleared. AC cleared. AC cleared. Officially 1-0. AC cleared. UJ was not ready. AED-CHF. Let's check AED-CHF. AED card was a walk-away trade. Come on. USD JPY. You are my favorite. Do not do this. Go back home. Let me profit from you. Guys, do we get what we're doing with the market? Do we get how our analysis are going? That's how you trade without taking lessons. Right. So let's check AED-CHF. If it's set up, I know you will have gone. We're going to wait. Don't worry. Sheesh. See, it didn't get to our zone. It's okay. I don't have a problem with it. It's okay. If it did not get there, it's okay. Now, because of the current strength that it has pushed up, it gave us a new zone. So I would move this here. So we now have this zone and this zone on AED-CHF if it comes back there. Say again. AED-CHF 009 to 081. AED-CHF for a call if it comes back there. Guys, are we checking the other pairs? Please, if you've cleared, let me see your clears. If you've cleared, everybody should clear that. Everybody should clear that. That's 1-0 officially. See, guys, you need to know that. You need to know that when you communicate, I know what is happening with us. When you communicate, I know what's happening with us. So when you don't talk or you don't say anything, I don't know. So I won't be in your shoes to know how to check the market. So please always communicate. Let me know how it's happening at your end. We're 17 on this call. We're already 10. I hope nobody has lost any money because we've not caught any trade. Please put your scores. We're officially 1-0. Put your scores. Put your scores. Did you clear? 2 entries. Good. 2 entries cleared. AC cleared. 662 and 657. Somebody took 2 entries. Okay. Let's see something else. Euro is still dropping.
Coach,
CHF is
could you
still
please
dropping.
check out EU?
EU.
Is it coming
Okay.
back?
Let me check. EU. EU is coming down. So when you see this weak movement, the way it's doing, it's trying to decide. So when it decides and it decides downward, when it comes here, we are good. So you can watch your EU as well. Please, I hope we are using proper risk management. It's one of the things I teach. Proper risk management. It's so funny that, I mean, I could have $1,000 in my broker and I'll be trading $10. But I can trade 50 times. That's how I do it. So it's not about using one big amount of money. Nah. Use your 3%. I do 1%, but I can trade 50 times in a day. Guys, HFX is real. Honestly, it's real. Just follow the rules and you'll be fine. Follow the rules and you'll be fine, guys. So, and we're going to start something soon. We'll be giving ourselves goals, monthly goals, and we'll see how many people met their monthly goals on the HFX Arena. We already discussed that, so we're going to be starting that soon. We're going to be starting that soon from the next month, that July. We're going to be having monthly goals. Write out all your goals in the VIP group. I'll be ticking them one after the other. I need people to make money. I need people to earn. I've been earning. I need people to earn as I've been earning on this platform. Okay. I think time is stable. Let's see what we can chart to take advantage of the 11 o'clock timing. Are we following, guys? So at some point before now, I trade only 3 times in an hour. And those three must be clear. I take advantage of the o'clock, 30 minutes, and 45 minutes. In 1 hour, I take only 3 trades, and it must clear. It must clear. So let's take advantage of the next 11 o'clock timing. Right. So let me see. E is still coming down. C is still coming down. CHF is coming down. USD is still trying to decide. JPY is going up. JPY is going up. GBP started coming down. See GBP. Can you guys see why I don't trade GBP? Can you see why I don't trade GBP? See, its progression is always sour. CAD, we know CAD has been misbehaving. I mean, has been low. CAD has been low since early this morning. Can you see it's progressive? I mean, it's proper. Down, 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 down. It tries to go up. Down, 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 down. It tries to go. It will still go down, 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 down. Except something happens. So this is something we can trade. We can trade against this guy. Let me see. This guy started moving up. AUD. In the last 3 hours, he started moving up, and it's still going up. So we can trade for AUD. NZD started moving up. We can trade for NZD. So let's see. USD is moving down. So we can trade against USD. So let's look at NZD USD. Let's look at AUD USD. CAD has been down for days. Yeah. Let's look at AUD USD. Let's look at NZD USD. NZD USD, AUD USD. NZD USD, AUD USD. It is just still gaining strength. It was 0.90 last time we checked, now 0.98. 0.96 to 0.98. AUD USD. USD is now the lowest. Can you see? Analysis don't lie, guys. From what we looked at here, from what we saw here, Bayo, thank you for this. Thank you for this. It's an additional confirmation for us. Thank you for this. So that's it. Nobody knows it all. Nobody knows it all. We keep learning by the day. Now, he said it yesterday. I had to go and do some research on it, set it up properly, and I can see 8. All right, so AUD USD, NZD USD, NZD USD, AUD USD, we are looking at. NZD USD. Yeah, it's a cheat code. NZD USD is already pushing up. So guys, I give us 2 zones. It needs to come down. So 2 zones, 382. It's a call. It's for a call. 382 to 345. We're taking advantage of the 11 o'clock timing. It will push down, and when it's 11 o'clock, it will reverse back up. So that's what we are waiting on. All right. So that's NU. Let's look at AU. Wow, I didn't look at AU before now. AU is so good. So remember, I'm taking advantage of the 11 o'clock timing. So we are hopeful that between now and before 11, this guy will come down. Market will work its way downward. USD will push it down. Then once it's 11, it pulls back up and we take our profit. Remember, we don't know how to make decision for the market. The market makes a decision and we get into the market. All right, I'll give us a second zone. Second zone. Yes, AUD USD 276 and 237. Sorry, I'm not able to write. Just follow me, please. 276 to 239. Those are the 2 zones. For AUD USD. For call. Call is back. Call is back. NU. Let me check NU.
As in the call. What's the zone?
Let me check NU. Call.
Yeah, the zone. I didn't get the zone.
The zone is 382 to 345. 382 to 345 for call. USD is weak, so we are trading against USD. So nothing will go USD way. It's going to be upward. So let's see AC again and AED chef. AED chef is coming. AED chef is coming. AED chef is coming. New zone. Okay. AED chef 122099. AED chef 122099. AED chef 122099 for a call. Yeah, somebody can be writing it out on the group. That's AED chef. AED card, let's see. It might pay us again. Walk away trade. Sec another entry, another zone. It's supposed to be a green line. So AUD card 688, 652. Guys, we have 4 entries we are waiting on the timing. 682. 688 to 652. 688 to 652. Don't leave us. Come on. Don't leave us. Yeah. Don't leave us, guys. Don't leave us. Calm down. Don't leave us. Don't leave us. Don't leave us. Check. Okay, you're not on the chat. Let me call AD card for him.
AD card is
And you, please don't leave us. Nothing should leave us. We want to take advantage.
652. It's 4.
EU is coming down. EU is so good if you get there. EU is so good if you get there. EU might not get there. Let me see another zone I can call. Let me see another zone. Let me see another zone. Hmm? If I what?
You set alarm for them.
I didn't set alarm. They won't pass us. I'm checking them.
Come check all of them.
So EU, let it come. Everything will come, hopefully. If everything comes, we'll take all the 4. Please be looking at them. Put your eyes. AUD chef. Let me give you the zone again. Put your eyes on this entry point. AUD chef wants to start reacting. Come on, push down. We're not ready. 122 to 099. AUD chef, pull down. Come on, we're not ready yet. Pull down. AUD chef is already going up. Let it pull down. Let it pull down. Technical guys might want to enter here at 136. We have our normal 2 zones, right? But if you come down to 136, it will shoot up. So if you want to go in as technical, because I will go in at 136 on AED chef, I will go in. It's for a call. So let's wait for it to come down. Let's see AED card. AED card is coming. AED card is coming. Sheesh, calm down. 3 minutes. We need you to calm down. Let's take all these entries. 3 minutes. We need you to calm down. NU, are you ready for us? Not yet. EU, are you ready for us? EU is still trying to calm down. UJ, come on, UJ has left us very far. UJ has left us very far. So painful. UJ doesn't disappoint. If UJ is set, it's set. It doesn't disappoint. My best pair, UJ. It's not ready for us. You card. No. You card. It's not it. Forget you card. Do I want to see EJ? Sorry, EA. Let me see EA. Oh, man. Okay. Market. E-card. Let me check E-card. Come on. Okay, one more. E-card. Just maybe this will react quicker. E-card needs to come down to 614. to 586, 614586 for a call. E-card. No panicking, guys. No panicking, guys. We'll wait for these zones. They will react. We'll wait for these zones. They will react. They are very good zones. Sheesh, man. Guys, can you see that? Can you see? Oh man, see the market. AD added more. AD went to 1.0. It's been a long time, a particular pair. So there must be something that's happening in Australia that is making Australian dollar push up. There must be something that is happening to AUD. There's nothing on the news. Something is happening to AUD. I mean, no pair has gotten to 1.0 in a long time, as in the strength, in percentage. No pair has gotten to 1.0 in a very long time. In a very long time. You said? Let me see ADCHF. ADCHF, calm down. You're almost at us. Calm down.
Looks like AUD
Calm
card played
down.
out at
136.
708 or something.
You said?
AUD card, it
Say
played
again.
out at 708.
AD card played out. No, he didn't get our zone. Get our zone. Guys, no issues. We're gonna wait. No rushing. We're gonna wait. Just maybe to react in the next 5 minutes. Just maybe to react in the next 5 minutes. So no issues. CHF started a new candle, wants to pull up. GBP pushing down. GBP get lost. Euro pushing down. USD pushing up. JPY pushing up. NZD pushing down. AUD pushing down. This one is this guy, so push back up. His strength is mad. CAD pushing up. Okay. Let's wait. There will be a reaction. Has gone back to 99.99. USD JPY is still pushing down. Eh? CHF JPY. Let me check CHF JPY. Not ready, not ready, not ready. Okay, guys. If CHF JPY gets to 850, enter for a sell. If it gets to 850 and above, enter for a sell. It should be a bonus if it gets there. CHF JPY. Push back up. Come on. CHF JPY is getting some strength. So if it pushes up to 850, enter. And if it comes above to 873, you enter again. 2 entries. We need to push up. We need to push up. We're supposed to rechart. Yeah. We're supposed to rechart. We're supposed to rechart. I'm waiting for those. It's still at this time. So before we rechart, it will still take like some minutes. So by 11:10, then we'll rechart the new zone. But it's still respecting that. So on CHF JPY, this CHF JPY, this it's coming there. CHF JPY. CHF JPY is a sell. Anybody got in? Nobody did, right? It's okay. It's okay. CHF JPY, come on, take us. Already. AED JPY. Forget the. Yeah. Forget AED JPY. Euro USD. Euro USD is coming. Euro USD is coming. Remember our zones. USD JPY. USD JPY. It's far away. It's far away. Let's watch it. Let's watch it if it comes. NZD-USD. NZD-USD. Come on. Far away. It's coming. EU. EU zone is 806 to 773. It's call. It's call. EU is call. It's coming. It's coming. EU is coming. Let me see AU. If AU is also coming. AU is CHFJPY. CHFJPY got there, guys. Anybody got him? He will have been too quick. He will have been too quick. Don't worry. Let it get there properly. He got
zone
to
on EU?
840. You said what? EU. The zone for EU. It's coming down. The zone for EU is 806 to 773. 806.
EU.
Yes.
Is a new zone.
806 773 EU. It needs to come down and take us up. EU is called. Push this thing down, break this zone. Come on, break it, don't stay there, break it. Yeah. EU, break this zone, come down. We're not ready now. Come down. Can you see he's deciding whether to go up or come down? But I believe it will break this zone, it will push down. Come on. It needs to break this zone. It's not a good support. It's not a good support, so it needs to break it. If it breaks it and come below, it will be a good support for us to go in when it breaks it. I'll wait. UJ, my guy. UJ is for a put. UJ, my guy. Guys, bonus. Enter UJ 468. If it comes to 468 for a sell, for a put, a bearish movement, UJ 65% payout. UJ put. Has it gotten to the zone?
Forward.
468. 468. I will take one entry. If it gets to 464, I'll take my first one. So I'm in my first entry on UJ. Then waiting for it to push up. Then I'll enter. Let it push up to the zone. Who entered? You got to 47. You got to 471. Who entered 471? UJ good. It's pushing up. Please, you want to take another entry, the second entry, where it is now. So I'm in on my second entry. That's good, guys. We just need to wait for it. That's it. Let's wait for something else. Let's check something else. UJ has reacted. So let's go and check AU and NU. NU. Guys, NU. Go in on your NU for a call. Go in on your NU for a call. NU. Go in on your NU for a call.
Go in now.
NU, yes, for a call. NU for a call. Pushed up a little. So I'll go in on this is my first entry. CJ, CHFJPY. CHFJPY. Anybody entered? They said it came to our zone. Sheesh, he left us. If you entered it, that's good. That's good. If you entered it, that's good. Somebody said it came to our zone, but we didn't see it. AU, let me see AU. AU is not ready for us. EU. Guys, EU came to our zone. Get ready to enter EU if it comes back there. It will retest that zone. EU. EU. EU, 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 EU. Come on, EU left me. Who entered EU? EU got to exactly our zone, 806. 806, cleared. CJ cleared. Guys, officially 2-0. CJ cleared. EU left us. We missed EU. EU left us. EU left us. Guys, can you see? That's a good reaction. These two entries clears, that will be 4-0. Let me see what else. If EU comes back to 806, you can go in again. If EU comes back to 806, you can go in again. EU is a call, yeah. I'm taking my first row, my first entry on UJ because I entered very low. So then this EU pained me so well. It pained me so well. Come on, EU pained me so well, so well. I waited patiently for that EU, but I didn't know when he reacted. I waited too patiently for EU, for me not to enter EU. Come on. Guys, let me see your clears. God, see the EU. It's okay, guys. We entered 3. We entered 3. UJ cleared. Sheesh, officially 3-0. I'm waiting for one more. Okay, let's wait. If it clears, that'll be 4-0. Everything should be in profit. Everything. Clearing my first entry. Take a roll on NU. Okay, that's okay. I'm still looking at EU, just maybe EU will. Stay in your trade, guys. Stay in your trade. You just keep listening to me. So you can take roll if you need to take roll. I'm waiting on EU. EU might come back. I'll let us know if it comes back. Cleared. Officially 4-0, guys. Cleared my 2 entries. Officially 4-0. Only one person took CJ. Even me, I didn't take CJ. One person took CJ when he got there. So please, when your eyes on a particular entry, please raise an alarm when you see that it's coming there. EJ is coming. EJ is coming. EJ wants me to enter. He wants me to enter. So EJ is coming. Guys, get ready for EJ. EJ is coming. UJ clear. Good. Guys, EJ, I'm going in on my first entry on EJ for a gosh, come on. It's for a call. Sorry, EU, not EJ or EU. Sorry, EU. Sorry, EU, guys. I'm sorry, EU. 83% payout. I'm going on my first entry on EU. It's a call. It's a call. Then I wait for the second entry. Clear. I cleared my second entry now. EU is coming. I'm taking one entry. I'm waiting for this. EU is 806 EU. UJ broke even. Okay, no worries. Let me see that UJ again. Maybe we can enter UJ.
UJ is shooting now.
Let me see whether we can enter UJ. Let me check UJ. Why would UJ be doing that? Okay. Guys, on UJ, we've not profited from UJ as such. Let it come up a little.
Let's go down.
Okay, some people I need, let it go down. Guys, who entered EU with me? Sheesh. Who entered EU with me? UJ is on my zone. So if UJ pushes upward again, I would enter. There's no worries. You can take 2 rows. It's not a problem. You can take 2 rows. Don't lose any trade. I took second rule on my first entry on UJ. You can take rule. Don't lose any trade. So I am, let me see. I'm going to take another entry on UJ. We pushes up and EU. Guys, EU has come down. Who entered EU? I would enter EU on the second entry. Let me see. Guys, EU. Who entered EU? Who entered EU? EU is good. Enter EU. Enter EU. Enter EU where it is. Enter EU where it is. Do not lose any trade, guys. You can use 2 rows.
It has already passed.
Okay, EU is good. So this UJ, I would enter UJ again. I want to just push up a little. I would enter UJ again. Entered EU at 800. Good. I've entered. I entered UJ second entry, another entry. EU. Let me see where EU is. Enter EU. If you've not entered EU, enter EU for a call. You will push up. Hope you entered.
Yeah.
Good, good, good. So on my EU, my first entry on EU was high. I'm still waiting. Just maybe I would need to take a roll. I'm still waiting. Just maybe I will need to take a roll. I'm still waiting. EU, now we need that movement up. Leave everybody have entered. Sheesh. Sheesh. All right, my UJ, that's my first UJ. Let me take this roll. I don't know what EU is not yet pushing up totally. Let me take this roll. Okay, I'm already in profit. I'll take it. I'll take the roll. I took the roll. So my first entry on UJ, I'm in profit. I rolled over 2 times. Guys, can you see my screen? Can you see my first entry on UJ? Don't miss your rollover. Take it 2 times. Don't worry. Take it 2 times. Take it 2 times. Don't worry. You cleared it. Okay. EU. EU, where are you? Where are you? If you've not entered EU, you can enter EU, guys. If you've not entered EU, you can enter EU. Market will react shortly. Market will react shortly. If you've not entered EU, you can enter EU. Don't let any of this market leave you, guys. Don't let any of them leave you. Come on, push back up. Push back up. If you need to take roll, remember you can take 2 rows. Don't let any of this market leave you. Don't let it leave you. This is my first entry on EU. I want to take my first roll. I already took the roll. I will profit. I already took the roll. Sheesh, guys, can you see? This is good. If this clears, that will be officially 5-0. That will be officially 5-0 if this clears. We are 4-0. We got one more idea. Officially 5. Let's wait for it to clear. Let's wait for it to clear. EU is tanking. Let me see. Watch EU, guys. Watch EU.
Euro is dropping strength. Oh, check Mataf. It's dropping.
Okay, okay. I've been rolling over the wrong thing since. Nah, come on. It happens. It happens. EU. Let me see what's happening on EU. EU has dropped strength. Let me see. Don't worry, don't worry. It can pull back that strength. It still has a percentage higher than USD, very much higher than USD. So please take your 2 rows before anything. Take your 2 rows. It just got to our original zone. Before anything, take your 2 rows. Take your 2 rows before anything. Am I still on UJ? What's going on here? Okay, I'm still on UJ. So on EU, don't let it leave you. Take your 2 rows. Take your 2 rows. I'm going on another entry on EU. I will go in on another entry on EU because it has gone to our original point. Okay. EU, hold on, let me see here. EU is coming down. EU is coming down. Let me see USD. USD is gaining strength. EU, hold on, guys. Guys, I'm going on EU. I'm taking it. 1 entry. Come on, pick me down, pick me up. It picked me up. So my first entry, I mistakenly overrode over. Can you see? I just rolling and rolling and rolling. I didn't know. But it's okay, it's okay. So I think I'm maybe 20 or 30 minutes on this EU because I just kept rolling over. So I took 1 lower entry on EU. If you did with me, everything reacted, guys. Everything reacted. That's officially 5-0. But let's watch this EU completely. Let's watch it completely. EU is 5. The EU make it 5-0. We are 4-0. EU make it 5-0. Guys, see, I wanted us to enter. I hope we entered a lower entry. I hope we entered. If it comes down to 780, you can go in on EU again. If it comes down. Okay, guys, let me know what's happening at your end. Please put your scores in the chat. Put your scores. This is cleared. It is cleared. It's cleared. We are 5-0. If you took a lesson on EU, that's because you didn't roll over. You left it up because you saw it and it lost strength. USD was so weak. That's the reason why I used the 3. I used the 2. See, EU is 0.61. USD is 0. No matter how much it lost strength, it can't go below that point. See our chart. This was the first zone we called. And it got there, reacted, some people already cleared. It now came down, but it could not pass this zone. Can you see our chart? So we are officially 5-0. Let's just wait for it to clear. But we are clearing it. We are clearing it. Forget. If you push that, it will go back up. Don't worry. It will go back up. Remember, you can take 2 rows before you let the market go. Take 2 rows before you let it go. Except this guy loses strength, then I'll let it go. Let me see. It's still not crossed that zone. I'm watching it. It's still not crossed that zone. It's still not crossed it. Still not crossed that zone. You want to take, you have taken the entry when you went down to that point. You have taken. Don't worry, don't bother taking it here. So guys, we are officially 4-0. Let's wait for this guy to clear. I want to see if I should take a roll. I will take it. I'm not going to lose it. Follow the rules. Take the roll. Take the roll. I won't lose it. He's trying to decide whether I should go up or go down. But I tell you, this place is a strong support. So he's been trying to break it the first time he couldn't. Second time he couldn't. So let's see. If it doesn't break it this 3rd time, it will push up. Just make sure you have time. That's all. Taking a roll on my second entry. So EU is the only one we are waiting on. We've cleared 4 entries. EU is what we're waiting for. If we clear this, that will be it. Okay, you took lesson on EU. You took it 3 minutes and you rolled over. So sorry about that. It just needed time. He lost strength. That's why. But I know we can't lose this trade. We can't lose it. If you took this entry, you know, we had 2 entries. This is the first one. This is the second one. It's still on our second entry. It has not passed it. Let it break it. Then I will say, okay, yes, I can let it go. EU lost. It's okay. Okay, no, let's take it as a loss, a lesson. 4-1, but I'm still watching it. So let's say we have 4-1 on this on this right now, but I didn't let the trade go yet. I'm still in it. Let it totally finish me, then I'll say, okay, yes, I've let it go. Let it finish. Let the trade finish. Let it break it and push down, and I'll say, okay, I took a lesson on EU. But I mean, I'm not letting it go yet. EU. Okay. While we are waiting on it. Okay. I'm not taking another rule, but I'll leave it. I'm not taking another rule. If it comes, fine. Wait, you entered at 806, 4 minutes, but still lost. Did you roll over? Did you roll over? Did you roll over? Let me know. Did you roll over? And how many times did you roll over? You didn't roll over now. You didn't roll over. He lost strength. He lost strength. It's clear that he lost strength. Lost first entry on EU. Okay, it's okay. Lost first entry on EU. Let me see. EU is trying to break. It's broken our zone actually. But let's see if it will push up. I will take one more rule on my second entry on EU. It's what I do. My first entry, I'm not taking another rule, but my second entry, I will take a rule. This second one, I will take a rule. Second entry, I will take a rule. Let's see something else. USD has given us some oomph. Let's go and see AU. Maybe AU wants to pay us. No, not ready. AU, EU is what we are on. NU. Gone, 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 gone. UJ. Gone, 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 gone. Cleared EU. 779 entry. Somebody cleared EU 779 entry. Okay. Let me see this EU. Do I let it go? Let me see what's happening on EU. EU is still that same percentage. Let's see. EU. We lost EU. It's okay. We take it as 4-1. Even though some people cleared it, we take it as 4-1. EU has gone past. I won't take another rule. I'll let it go. I'll let it go. So guys, officially 4-1. Officially 4-1. Officially 4-1. It's okay. It's okay. No worries. No panicking. Officially 4-1. But I hope we are not over leveraging. I hope we have made profits today. That's my goal. I hope we have made profits today. I was really not happy about yesterday at all. So I hope we have made profit today. Please put your scores in the chat. Put your scores in the chat. Here's the chef. What's going on here? Chef is dropping. Card is going up. Let me see. Here's the card. Here's the chef. Hi, Joey. Yeah, we'll have it. We'll have a meeting for 12. Don't worry, we'll have it for 12. Yeah. Please, I want to see our scores. 2-3. How is somebody having 2-3? 1-3. Not get, you know. If we're supposed to have lost a trade, it's supposed to be 1. Please explain. Bayot, let me know. Jumoke, let me know. How did you have 1-3? Everybody put your score. Ope, put your score. Everybody, please. Everybody. Tope, put your score. Everybody. I want to see everybody's score. Officially, we are 4-1. 2-2. 2-2. Please let me know how you got 2-2. You didn't take all the trades then. Didn't take all the trades I will call. You lost UJ. No. Okay, let's still look at the market. This is not it. This is not it. I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that. 4-1, it's okay. Let's still look at the market. The market will pay us. The market will pay us. Let me see. Three. This session didn't have to be that way. We're very careful. We only lost one trade. Only one trade. We only lost one trade. CNU has gone. AU. AJ. Yeah, let's look at AJ. For a call. Hold on AJ, and let us know. And let us know. We took a lesson on EU. Like, I mean, everybody took lessons. Everybody took lessons. EU. It's okay. Sold, oversold. Man. Check. This CHF is also gone. That's CHF gone as well. Card CHF. Hold up. Card CHF. Let's see Euro ZD. Wait. I'm not happy about the scores. We carefully looked at this market. We carefully looked at this market.
Doctor, there. You get the issues. You find me in time in navigating between
The trades.
trades. You get the have challenge. I also have challenge. That's why when you call multiple entries, all I do is just take the ones I know I can manage properly. So I don't go straight. Because by the time you're supposed to roll over on one particular trade and you're looking at another one, before you go back with as far as rollover, which causes a lesson.
Okay. Come on, this guy. Come on.
But that guy come.
Yeah, I really work. EU. EU messed me up.
$48.
EU just $48.
Is it not just? Yesterday, you don't say just. Yesterday, I had to use the
EJ. No, compared to what I lost on that EU, I took 2 entries and I rolled over one like 4 times.
and you still lost.
I still lost it. That was a mistake actually. Normally after 2 rollovers, I'm supposed to leave it.
How much you say?
Let me check it out. Check. Let me see what else setting up. EG. E.
$20. Okay, now they go to your account to mention it.
E card. Gradually we grow, we grow, we grow. E card, E card, E card. Sold. Selling. Euro NZD. Euro NZD. Euro NZD will sell because of the strength of euro right now. Euro is still dropping. Wait, let me see. That's what I'm looking at. Euro NZD. Euro is dropping. NZ is going up. Let's look at Euro NZD.
You say this week has been very wonderful. This week has been very wonderful.
On Monday we had 8-0. So we had 8-0 on Monday. Yesterday, okay, some people don't.
Yesterday's lessons and
Today.
Today's that's why it's in 3-3. I think we took multiple entries.
Yeah. Don't worry, guys. We'll look at 2 more trades before we go. 2 more good trades. How's it going on your end? Toba, what's your score? Let me see. Toba, what's your score? Let me know your score. So we have 1-3, we have 2-0, we have 3-1, we have 4-1, we have 2-3. 3 trades lost. Even if we lost this last trade, 4-1, somebody's 4-1 is the official score, right? Even if we lost this last trade, it's just 2 entries we're supposed to lose. So I'm wondering why people have 3 losses. We've lost only one idea. One idea was bad. We lost one idea.
I think we should add another routine, irrespective of the number of entries of code. Manage trade you want to do, you can manage effectively.
Actually, officially it's 4-1.
Because from the beginning, that's not affecting manage.
Yeah, it's not even multiple entries. 2. We said 2 entries.
Multiple entries, 2 entries on 1 trade.
Yes.
What if we call like 3 different trades? Everybody wants to make sure that they meet up. Navigating between multiple entries is the challenge on its own. Then we now have to move on to another trade. We also monitor it. That's the reason for these losses.
Okay. All right. We'll get better every day. I'm waiting for the 45 minutes time.
Zeno.
Waiting. Paul, let me see your score. I didn't see your score, Paul. Toba is 5-3.
Zeno, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so this multiple entry, let me explain something. So let's say we have 3 ideas we are waiting on.
Yes.
And you are able to enter 2. You don't need to enter the 3, manage the 2 you're able to enter, especially when you are just starting like this. It's difficult to manage your trades. So actually, if you're waiting on 4 and 5 ideas, if you can take 2 and manage them, it's better you manage them and get the result. Because sometimes sometimes it might flip on you. Sometimes you might just want to play around for some time. So like what I do, I don't take more than 3 trades at a time. So if I take 3, I manage it. Even if I have 5 ideas, like this morning around 5:30, I had like 5 ideas, but I take just 2 of them, and I was able to manage them and clear them. So it's important. You guys should not be doing like that we take 6 trades and is able to manage it. Please.
Okay. All right, that's a very important point to note, guys. A very important point to note. A very important point to note. Guys, let us. I think this guy has gained. I would slap it alone. I will slap it. I think it has gained back its strength. Let me see. I want to trade against it. Okay, he did not. Euro NZD. Euro NZD. Come back. Let me see Euro NZD again. He touched that point. He touched it. He touched it. He touched it. He touched it. It's already going down. We missed it. We missed it. Euro NZD. We missed it. Anybody took it? Anybody took it? Euro NZD. Don't worry. If you didn't take it, don't worry. Let's wait for the performance candle. We still have NU. We still have AU. We're waiting on. Come on. What is this? This is away from home. NU is coming. This is the zone for NU. 478, the new zone. New zone, 478. Second entry, 498. So 498, 478. Difference is 0.20. 498 NU for a call and 478. That's that one.
498.
Let's look at AU.
498.
478. 498, 478. On AU, we acted here 3 times as well. On AU, 394, 397, 394, 394, 394, and 374. Sorry, 74.
394.
374.
374.
Those two trade, NU and AU will pay us. Don't worry. Let's just, that's what I've been waiting for. Let it come. NU and AU. I need us to get these two trades so we can be balanced. Okay. It's for a call. AU 394 or 374. 2 entries. 394, 374. That's AU. Then NU.
498. 478.
490, 478, yeah. UJ. Let me go and check UJ. If it has reacted, I'm not sure, but let me check. Okay, UJ, we have 2 entries as well. UJ is put to. Man, this is good, honestly. Let it just come there. Please go in on UJ now. First entry for a sell, put. UJ now, sell. UJ, sell, put. First entry, put. Come on, push me. It's sell now, it's put now.
I say it should not go, it should come down.
Okay. It's 2 entries. If it goes up, enter the second one. That's UJ. I hope we all entered it. AU, let me see if it's ready. AU has gone up. Come on, why? AU, come down. NU, let me see NU. NU too. We'll wait for them. They will come. We'll wait for them. Somebody's giving a signal. AUD card 700. Let me see AUD card. Oh, whoops. AUD card is good. AUD card is good. Let me see what's happening with card first. Guys, go and enter AUD card. AUD card for a buy. Call. AUD card, call. AUD card 688. 688 is to come out to retest that zone. AUD card 688. AUD card 688.
Buy.
Yes, buy. 688 AUD card. Let it come down. If it gets to 700, like he chatted, you can go in on 700 too. So 2 entries, 688, 700 AUD card. It's there. It's there. Please take it. It's call. Come on, can you load already? Broker. You can log me out.
AUD what?
AUD card. Sheesh. Logged me out. Gosh. It got there again. It got to our 688. That's massive profit. I hope we took it.
688.
I couldn't take it because it logged me out. It's gone already now. It's gone. It's far. It's gone to 700 and something.
740.
688 is what I called. 688. It got 688 and 700. Guys, hope we took it. Can you see what my risk option is doing? I didn't take that trade. So painful. If you entered those 2 ideas, please let me see your entry points. AUD card and USJPY. Those 2 ideas. If you enter those 2 ideas, let me know. Risk option logged me out. It has not even still logged me back in. We have 2 zones now. So you manage it. You have 2 zones. It will come down.
What is the concern?
Guys, I hope you all took those trades. Oh. I hope we all took those trades. That USJPY will react. Oh. Don't let it go. Just make sure you take 2 rows. That one is a good trade. We have 2 zones on that. Come on, broke up. Still not even needed. Hope we are in profit on the 2 entries, the 2 entries. Hope we took the 2 entries. Hope we took the 2 entries.
You didn't take AUD.
You didn't take AUD. Oh, you didn't take the second idea. Guys, let me know what's happening at your end. Let me know what's happening at your end. Let me know what's happening at your end. AUDJPY, USDJPY cleared. Cleared USDJPY. I just cleared USDJPY. That's 5-1. Now AUD card. Gosh, man. I hope we took AUD card, guys. AUD card cleared. AUD card cleared. 6-1. Officially 6-1.
You didn't take AUD.
No, I didn't take it. My broker logged me out. Man. We are using the same broker. Guys, let me know what's happening at your end. Put your scores, I beg. Once you finish this particular idea, put your scores. Man, I believe we should be back. Alex, how's it happening at your end? You have 3-3. Let me know. Jumoke Alpha, how's it happening at your end? You had 1-2. Okay, you had 2-2. Alpha now. Bayo, what's up? You had 2-3. What is it? What's your score right now? I really want to be sure that, can you see this movement? Come on. Sunday is going to have a session, It's going to start a session, so we can have more. 6-4. You lost 4 trades. Cleared AC and UJ. Now 3-3. You took only one, Bayo. Guys, we are 6-1 officially. We can't be having 3-3 when we are 6-1.
Man, push down. Where are you going?
Let me see if something can still react.
Push down, push down, push down.
Our AJ and AU. I mean, sorry, our AU and NU. Let me see if it's ready for us.
Push down,
It's gone.
down, down, down.
NU.
Oh, God damn it.
What trade are you on?
Easy.
UJ.
Yes.
Ah, you're still on UJ.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. Okay, UJ is coming down. I will take it again.
Hmm?
I want to take UJ. Don't worry, guys. Don't take UJ over me. I want to take it again. I want to take UJ again. I took UJ at 374 for a put. UJ is still in our zone. It's coming up. It's coming up. It will push down. It will push down. I still want AJ and NG. I'm sorry, AU and NU to pay us before we leave. I'm still waiting for them. I have a meeting for 12 and we leave for 10 minutes. All right, UJ, pull down, pull down, pull down, pull down, pull down. I entered UJ again. I don't know if anybody joined me to enter, but I entered UJ again. But what's you on UJ? Are you clearing? You lost it. Let's see what's happening with the trend. Come on, UJ. Manage that trade, please. Manage your UJ. I'm taking UJ again. I'm supposed to take UJ again when you go here. UJ is still very good. It's just not reacted yet. Akis, you're not logging you in. Refresh the browser. Refresh the browser. Refresh the browser. Guys, please, when you have opportunity to take road, do not leave it. Take the road. Take the road. Refresh 50 times. When you have opportunity to take road, take the road. Don't leave it. Take it. Take it. I've been locked out again.
I think the same thing happened to Naya.
You cleared?
Look at what happened. Because I was
You cleared? How much is that? $40.
I don't give up on them before.
That's 6 on 1, guys.
I think log when log you out. So.
Yeah, 6 on 1, guys. I'm still waiting for our AJ and AU and NU. So I'm going to clear this one too, because I mean profit before now. That's the UJ. Who entered UJ? If you entered UJ again with me, let me know. If you did enter UJ again, let me know. Nobody did. Nobody might carry that. This guy. I don't believe. Toba, you did enter UJ. I trust Toba. Who entered UJ again with me the second time? UJ has paid me today 4 times. 4 times. UJ is always, he said no. UJ is always a good guy. UJ doesn't mess up. He doesn't. Guys, AU is coming. Our AU is coming. I'm going in on AU now. Yes, 2 zones. Don't forget 2 zones. Broker, what's this? Who entered AU? Sheesh. That was too good. Who entered AU? Who entered AU? Anybody entered AU? Same thing with mine. Anybody enter AU? AU was so good. He got there and he reacted. AU. Those 2 trades I've been waiting for. Those 2 trades I've been waiting for, AU and NU. He got there, and my broker, it's there now, guys. AU, NU. AU, guys, AU. My broker is not logging me in. It's yours, bad gateway. What's going on with these brokers? They don't want to take this problem. We will take it, though. We will take it. I will take it. Please enter it, enter it, enter it. Refresh your broker. Enter it. Enter it, AU. Mine has loaded. Who entered the AU? Ah, it has left us. It has left us. Sheesh. We have 5 minutes to the end. I don't know if to come back there. It's gone.
Pay what? Pay what? Pay what? Sheesh.
Can you see AU and NU played out exactly? Let me try to log in on that browser. Let me see. What was the profit or what? It's just network. It's network. It's not the system. It's network. It's just like that. So that's the thing. A lot of people are actually on it as well. So I'm trying to use another browser to see. Just maybe it will respect us till 12 o'clock. AU and NU, I waited patiently. Are you logged in? And it's still jumping around that zone. It's still waiting for us. It's still waiting for us. Come on, come on. Mine is loaded. I use a new browser and it has loaded. So if it comes back to our zone, please go in. If it comes back to our zone, AU and NU, I think it's waiting for us. Guys, are we ready now? It's waiting for us, guys. Logged me out again. I didn't take it. I didn't take it. I didn't take it. It's actually in our area. It's actually in our zone. You lick salt, have you? You lick salt. No. It's okay. Yes, AU, you can enter AU where it is right now for a call. It's in our zone. You know, I gave us 2 zones. It's in our zone. You can enter AU for a call. The broker is moving mad. It's moving mad. Anybody is logged in? Is anybody logged in? Is any broker
IQ
logged in?
Sense are
Anybody?
feasting on us, man. IQ Sense. Now well done.
Man, and this trade is good. It got to our zone. Man, I was really too patient not to take this trade. Risk option is moving mad. Guys, exactly our zone. See, RSI, stochastic ready, momentum ready, everything ready. Everything. Come on, guys. Sheesh. Guys, I need to go for a meeting. We'll take it at 6-1. Please put your scores before you leave. Put your scores in the chat. Officially 6-1. No scores. So. Okay, let's drop one. Let's do 5-1 because of some people. Officially 5-1. But we see officially 6-2. 7-3. Somebody is 7-3. Please put your scores. Put your scores. What's your score then? Put your scores. Put your score. 4-3. At least I'm glad we crossed it. This trade will have been
Coach,
amazing.
I'm in AU, but it's not yet reacting.
You're on AU. Okay, don't worry. Take your 2 rows. It's already 12 o'clock to react. I wish I can. They're calling me already. I need to wait for a meeting. Hi, Chinwe. I'll come on now. Yes. Guys, put your scores. Let me see your scores. Put your scores. So we've taken it as officially 5-1. So let me see your scores. It's not that bad. It's painful that some people already left the call. It's painful. Alex, what's your score now? I'd like to see it, please. Let me know. Let me know. Come on, this station is done.
So I didn't take any of this trade you were calling. I was in a WhatsApp kind of meeting too. But
okay,
when I said 3-3 then, it was that EU that I took that time, that one that was running mad.
okay.
So but the last one eventually went into profit after 2 rows. So it's not actually, yeah. So I already counted it as a loss because it was very far. But it entered before it, and so it's actually 4-2, not 3-3.
4-2 now. You have 4-2. Put it on the chart, please. Where's my USD? AUD. Guys, if you can log into your broker now, please take the AU. This broker will not kill me today. If you can log into your broker, take the AU. Take the AU. So good. Where it is right now, take it. It's called where it is right now. It's still going to push up. Take it where it is right now, the AU. If you can log into your broker. Bad gateway. I need to go off the call, guys. I need to go off the call. So officially we did 5-1. Officially 5-1. Don't worry. I believe if you made some profit today, like you came in with $100 and you have $101, please put profit in the chat. You came into this session with $100 and you have $101. Put profit in the chat. Please put it. I know we're not trading again, but I want to see it, guys. If you came into this trade, this session, and you made profit, even if it's $1, put it. Your score is 6-1, and you were complaining. That is the official score, actually. 6-1, but we dropped 1 because of people. No, I did not. Call is still on. So we are 5-1 officially. You know what's your score? 8-1. Sunday. You want to know my score personally? You guys don't want to know. My score personally is 11-3. 11-3 personally. If I'm taking this AU and NU, and I'm taking two entries. In official, I mean my own score is 11-3. 8-1, 8-1, 8-1. Not 11-3. Okay, 11-3, yeah. 11-3. 8-1. Guys. Okay. If you made profit, even if it's $1 profit, put profit in the chart. If you've made profit, put profit in the chart. Officially 5-1. Please put it in the chart. If you made profit from today's session. If you made profit from today's session, put profit in the chart. Officially, we are 5-1. That's our official score, 5-1. I can see 4-3, I can see 6-4, I can see 5-1. Please put your scores, let me see. And if you've made profit, put profit 8-1, 8-1, good, 5-1. Please put profit. If you made profit on this session, put profit in the chart. Guys, that's it for this session. I need to go. We'll see you again tomorrow, 6 a.m. Enjoy the rest of your day.